study about female reproductive system. Female germ cells or egg are made up of ovaries. They are also responsible for the production of some hormones. The human female reproductive system. The parts of the human reproductive system are oviduct. It is also known as fallopian tube. There are two ovaries on both the sides and uterus. This uterus is also known as womb, WOMB, and cervix and vagina. It's a opening place. Okay. Oviduct or fallopian tube, ovary, there are two ovary, uterus, cervix, and vagina. These are the parts of the human female reproductive system. There are two ovary. It is also known as female gamete or eggs. Okay, these eggs, female germ cells or female sex cell, female gametes. One egg is there means ovum. Eggs, more eggs are there means ova. These are the names of the eggs. Eggs or female germ cell, female gametes, egg or ovum. Eggs means ova. Okay, there are two ovaries on both the side. Okay, first, the main function of ovary is it produces the egg, and second function is it produces the hormone that is known as estrogen. That is known as estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone. It's secreted by the ovary. There are two functions of the ovary. One is it produces the eggs and it produces the estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone. In a male, it is a testosterone. Okay, the hundreds of ovary when the girl baby is delivered, hundreds of ovaries are in the eggs are produced in the ovary. But when the puberty comes, when it starts the uh, puberty means adult stage. Okay, young stage. In place of puberty, in the person is having puberty, that time it produces the uh, one egg in the per month. Okay, and through the fallopian tube these eggs are transported to the uterus. This portion is known as womb, WOMB, womb. Okay, and it is transported to the womb. In womb, what it will happen means when the egg cells, testes is produced and it's enter into the womb, and through the fallopian tube the eggs are coming. There is a fusion is formed, and there is a formation of the zygote, and means male and female gamete fused in the fallopian tube. What is the function of fallopian tube means there is a fusion of male and female gamete, and there is a formation of, here fertilization takes place, and there is a formation of zygote undergo division. There is a formation of embryo. This embryo comes to the uh, womb portion or uterus, and it starts developing into the baby.